Okay, so this is a really fast video on how you can avoid stringing. It's kind of cheating because you don't really have to calibrate everything, but if you're having a lot of stringing, you can actually go into the slicer and tell it not to make moves outside of the printable area. So if you look right here, I turned travel lines on, so you can see the printer is only printing the snail part, but it's traveling between here. And I actually don't have any stringing on this print, but if I did, one of the things I could go and do is go into the quality right here, and I can say, is it avoid crossing walls? So right here, avoid crossing walls. And if we just slice it with just that, it's gonna avoid crossing those walls. And you can even change the distance in here. So let's just say 1. That's not going to be much of a distance, but so we'll see all that stringing come along. If we leave it at 0, that's the default, so you won't see much of it. You can also raise this as high as you want, so 150, and it should look about the same as when it's at that default setting. So yeah, so it almost makes it impossible to get lots of stringing. So hopefully this tip helps if you've been having some stringing issues. You can go into Orca, go to quality, avoid crossing walls, and you can either set this really high or to 0, and you should get minimal stringing.